up to the ladder and get in there. He's gonna walk over here and he's gonna climb up the stairs and he's gonna fall. And there he is, never gonna get out.
It lights up. Look at that. Nice job, Thomas.
Look in here, there's gold in here. And then when he tries to jump up and get it, he'll just fall back down. You can go down the slide, then they can come in here, and there's a light and coins in there. Climb up the ladder, then the leprechaun going to see this coin, then I'm going to, and this going to fall down, then I'm going to catch it. He's going to look at the coins, then he's going to fall inside, and it's not going to come out.
Did you look in?
I can't see that good.
Okay.
Walks through this little pile, and then he's
What's the pile? What's the pile made out of?
Lucky Charms, and then he's gonna bump over the stick, and then this is gonna close on him, and he'll never be able to get out.
Oh.
He has to slide over the rainbow, and then he has to fall in.
Good job. I think it's gonna work.
How is he not wearing shoes?
I have no idea.